Once you've edited pages within Voces, you may want to replace them with the original. You can do this fairly easily with the Voces editor. To start, click on the Teachers panel and then the pencil icon. Once you have the Voces editor open, click on the unit or chapter and section where the page is, and then click on the specific page that you'd like to reset to the original. Next, find the button that says Unlink Content and click that to remove the edited version. That will give us the option to add a page. And from the drop-down, we'll scroll all the way to the bottom of the list where we will see the Voces Original section. Here, I'll find the page that's the Voces Original I want to put back into the curriculum, and then click Add. Make sure to click Save at the top. You'll see that red turn to black, and then you'll be able to safely close out of the editor. If you don't see your changes immediately, try refreshing your browser. You'll see that that does work most of the time. Sometimes you will have to reload the page just by accessing it again from the table of contents. But you can see that now that page has been replaced with the presentational writing task, the original version. As always, if you have any questions or you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the question mark icon within your account.